Hi patrons, showing you the installation video for our new Mudslinger, which is a fiber Mudslinger. The Mudslinger comes with essentially these three components: the main mounting plate with the fiber reinforced one, with a scrubber here that you see, a bump here to actually increase its effectiveness. This will already be assembled when you get it, right? So the way it has to go is that the taller part has to go on top and the scrubber part has to be at the bottom part. The second thing is you get two plates. This is the right hand side plate. Both the plates are expected to come up. The way the plates are mounted is that they get mounted on the main axle bolt, and it basically restricts its rotation by this bolt and by taking the support from the swing arm. Now you don't need to open any axle bolt for our product installation. It's a very straightforward installation. So you get a rod like this, which has two kind of spacers which are of the same OD as the ID of the axle. The rod will only go from one side to other side. So in the sense, you will always have to insert the rod from this side. And we would mark it and send it. So we would say RHS or LHS. The RHS has to come on this side and you will mount the rod from the left hand side. Okay, so when the rod is mounted like this, you can place this particular member over here, right? Ideally better to use both the washers and loosely mount the nut. The nut you get is basically a self-locking nut for safety, because it's a part which moves very close to the wheel. The same way you will mount the LHS plate. Okay, so make sure that these two stoppers are hugging top and bottom of the swing arm. Use both the washers. Once that part is done, you'll notice that the main mounting 12 mm plate has threading inside this. This is a M8 threading, and we would have sent you the mating bolts for this. So all you need is 4 bolts and 4 washers. First mount the main pivot, which is the tilt pivot, which is this one.